Aloha. I'm Andy, and in this video I will make a short benchmark for the ASUS X509FA-EJ259 laptop. Like I said, this will be a short benchmark. If you wish to watch a full benchmark that covers everything from webcam to battery lifetime in different real-life scenarios, then you should watch another video. Before the benchmark, let's see the hardware configuration for this ASUS X509FA-EJ259 laptop. The CPU is an 8th generation Intel Core i5-8265U processor. The CPU has 4 cores and 8 threads. The processor base frequency is 1.60 GHz and the max turbo frequency is 3.90 GHz. The laptop came with the integrated Intel UHD graphics 620. The graphics base frequency is 300 MHz and the graphics max dynamic frequency is 1.10 GHz. The laptop came with 8 GB RAM, probably one stick and soldered on the motherboard. I say probably because the spec in the CPU-Z programs shows only the amount of the memory, without manufacturer name, frequency, number of sticks. The Windows 10 64-bit operating system is installed on the 1TB ST1000 liters M035, Seagate 5400 rotation per minute, SATA 3 HDD. And now let's begin my short benchmark. Because from Windows 10 has been removed the graphical Windows Experience Index performance test, I used the Experience Index OK program. The CPU got the second best score alongside with the RAM memory. I made 3 more benchmarks for the CPU, one with 2 versions of CPU-Z programs. In the left you can see the benchmark with CPU-Z version 1.74, and in the right side you can see the benchmark with CPU-Z version 1.91. In Cinebench, the CPU got 1186 points. Surprisingly, the desktop performance for Windows Era got the lowest score. These are the results for the Intel UHD Graphics 620 video card, with AIDA 64 GPU benchmark. And now let's test this Intel UHD Graphics 620 video decoding capability. The 480p, 720p 60fps, 1080p 60fps, 2K 60fps and the 4K 60fps YouTube videos are playing smoothly. The 8K 60fps YouTube video is freezing, with about 99% of VGA and 48% CPU utilization. If the VGA was a little bit more powerful, the laptop would smoothly play even the 8K videos. The HDD data transfer score is 7.0, with the crystal disk mark. I got these results. Unfortunately, the boot time for this HDD is about 70 seconds. This was my short benchmark for this ASUS X509 laptop. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.